Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Please subscribe so that you can get notified whenever we drop new content. Alright, you know our content are always useful. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can get premium UK or US phone number, which you can use to verify even your WhatsApp, PayPal, Piona, all of those stuff. All right, like myself, I'm using my own for PayPal. All right, so we're gonna be getting a third-party app called Vike. All right, VYKE. So let's just head over to our Play Store. We're on Play Store here. We're gonna get the Vike app. Please, this time we're gonna be doing it for free since it's premium phone number for UK or USA, all right, which you can use for your PayPal account. I'm gonna be paying a token just to get this, not to me, but to the providers, all right. So you're gonna be entering this Vike. When you get to the Vike, you're gonna be registering your phone number. I have an account to them already. Okay, my phone number is there, and what you're saying is my UK number, all right, which I bought for $15, just 15.99 per year, and you can even subscribe for a month, 2 months, 3 months. All right, so you pick the country you want. I still have up to $4 there, which I think I will use for maybe US number, or maybe refresh, or maybe resubscribe my plan with them. So you're gonna be choosing USA, you're gonna be choosing California, or anyone you see there. You can pick either of the districts. It works. Whichever one you pick is okay, right? And these numbers are functional, but this is what you must understand, that this number, you can always receive their message through the app. Whenever you get a message from PayPal that you should verify your number, you get them through Vike. You must log in your Vike to check the message. You can make call via the Vike app. All right, so everything is done on the Vike app, and to get this number, like I said, you need to pay a token. In a year, you're paying around $15. All right, that's the message I've received from PayPal so far. In a year, you need to pay $15, and 3 months I think is around $6 or $4. It's quite cheap anyway. All right, so I think it's better if you want to get a verified PayPal account in countries that are banned. All right, you can get a US PayPal account with this method. All right, I've used it to create my own PayPal, and it's working perfectly. So please, in case you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, drop a comment, and share with your friends. Please subscribe. Thank you.